Yes. Take a snap, please. Yes. So this is how the book looks. Now, coming to the interiors. So, EVES Against the Odds, Volume 2, and this is supported by BSc IPF, Prabhudas Liladhar, and Mentor My Board. Thank you. Thank you to all the three of you. Thank you so much for coming forward and extending your support. I think we are very blessed that you believed in the journey. You believed in the vision that we carry in bringing this book out. And we are very happy that you've come forward and extended your support. So thank you once again. At the same time, thank you, Hari, for being my co-author. This is my second book. Yours is ninth. And thank you so much for taking me along the journey on this. Thank you to my family, my friends who have been a constant support. I'm short of words. That's what's happened when I get a bit emotional and commotional as well, right? So this is how it looks. Okay. Wow. So just quickly, just to mention, there are a lot of people who have actually also supported directly and indirectly. Especially, the book is dedicated to Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that is India is celebrating, and the book is also dedicated to all the people, all the Indians, and all the humans across the world, right? So there are some praises of the volume 1 that we have published, and I would like to especially thank a few recommendation. We have Dr. Sagarika Ghoshal, we have Agnulu Rajesh Bhaide sir,